Pitman 700 common words exercise number 40 first half start. How old is old question mark? How old are you? And how old is your father question mark? Again, how old is his father question mark? Maybe that last age seems very old to you who are young full stop. But are you young question mark? What is the age of the youngest baby in your family comma either in your own home or in the homes of your relations question mark. Perhaps the baby was lived for only a few months or even a few hours comma and you at 16 years of age must seem quite old to the baby's mother full stop paragraph. Age is comma indeed comma anything but a simple thing full stop. You cannot be said to be young or old except in relation to the age of some other person or thing full stop. To the young girl comma starting life in the office for the first time comma her immediate chief may seem quite old full stop. That chief is probably comma whoever comma no more than 30 or 35 years of age comma and he feels very young indeed when he is with his director comma who is nearly 70 full stop. But when the man who is nearly 70 years sees the picture in the newspaper of a happy old man or woman who has reached 100 years of age comma he in his turn feels young and almost boyish exclamation paragraph again comma everyone comma whatever his age may be comma is so young as almost not to have lived at all if his age is considered side by side with that of the earth on which he lives and has his being full stop. The earth has been in existence for millions of years comma and the age of mankind is as nothing if judged by the age of the earth itself full stop paragraph. As we go through life we are forced to the belief that too much importance is given to a person's age full stop. It is not the date on a piece of paper that matters colon. It is the person's state of health in body and mind full stop. Some people are quite old at 25 and others are still young at 70 full stop. We might perhaps all be happier if less importance were paid to age full stop. Young people who express an opinion are often told that they are too young to know comma and as a result very little attention is paid to such expressions of opinion full stop. Yet it is possible that the young person has formed the opinion as a result of reading comma followed by careful thought comma and he has every right to his point of view full stop. The end.